Hi, my name is Dinie, and I have over 20 years of experience working in fashion. And I think that today, the biggest challenge, but also the biggest gratification comes from moving into sustainable fashion. I think that any fashion that is not sustainable is actually kind of out-fashioned, outdated. And I think that being here in India is so grateful for me as a learning opportunity because it really shows that as a country, India is still very well connected to most concepts of sustainability. And it's really a matter of bringing them into a contemporary setting and bringing them into a contemporary way of blending narrative, heritage, and fashionable, desirable items. And I think that here at Anant, at the Sustainable Fashion and Textiles department, they do an amazing job at teaching students exactly how this merger and this new way of fashion can look. And I think in general, sustainability is something that might seem overwhelming and very hard, but they break it down here into very size bites that students can handle and that they can deal with. I'm very hopeful for the next generation of Indian upcoming designers and practitioners that can blend the very rich cultural heritage that is existing here with very contemporary and new ideas and technologies to bring us forward into the next couple of years, into the next decades. And I think that, well, as mentioned, fashion that is not sustainable, I don't really see the relevance anymore. So I'm very happy to be here where people really understand that this is the future and that this is the most fashionable thing you can do.